Listen, every decision you make, you're going to regret it. When we do things, could things always be better? Yes or no? Could things always be worse? Yes or no? Yeah, like when I bought a house in this area, I thought, oh my God, I shouldn't have bought that house. If I bought one down there, it would have been worse. If I bought the one over there, I have to wait longer, and therefore this one, during that time, would have made me money. You understand what I'm saying? So many, I'm the same. I was like, oh my God, I shouldn't have gone there. I should have done that instead, right? Every decision you're gonna make, you will regret it. But know that when that happens, that whatever decision you made at the time was with my best knowledge I had at the time, because hindsight's a great thing, isn't it? If we had a time machine and we could go back in time, would we do things differently? Yes. No. Maybe. Could we have made a better decision? Yes. Could we have more time to make that decision? Yes. But the thing is, and I learned this from Bill Clinton. A friend of mine had lunch with Bill Clinton, and he passed knowledge on to me, and he said, because he asked the question, he said, oh, was it right for you to invade Afghanistan? And when he asked the question, he said, oh my God, I can't believe I just asked that question. And the president looked him in the eye and he said, you know, Richard, it's not about making the right or the wrong decision. It's about making your decision right. You see, when you go into that decision, whatever decision you make, and this is what paralyzes people from doing something, because what happens is they come up with all the scenarios that, oh, if I do this and it's once bitten, twice shy. It happened to me before. I don't want to look stupid and embarrassed again. Therefore, I'm going to be super protective and I'm going to be on the defense. Problem is, when you're on defense, it's very hard to win a game. You understand? If I'm always defending, I'm never attacking. And if I'm never attacking, I can't shoot a goal because I'm always waiting for the goal to come to me. So what you have to do at that point when you're going, I don't want to make a decision and then regret that decision, just know you're going to regret it anyway, because you could have done it better or you could have done it worse. But when you go into something, just know all the possible outcomes, but how to manage it. Because it's about being adaptive. Because when you go into something that doesn't work, you have to switch, right? There's a really good book called The Tipping Point. Yeah, Malcolm Gladwell, Tipping Point, very good book. And he talks a lot about, you know, like people, like right before they're about to give up on something, that's the moment it tips. You understand what I'm saying? So the mindset of, I don't want to make a decision and regret it. The mindset is, I am going to make a decision. It's the best decision I have at the time with the knowledge I have, with the resources I have. And therefore, when I go into this, you are going to make it right.